Boys, this is a 5 exercise arm workout that you can do at any gym. Starting off with a machine preacher curl to train a bicep in a shortened position first. My head is down so it doesn't prevent me getting a full range of motion. Our first tricep exercise is a crossover extension, providing more tension in the short to mid position. Now training the biceps in a more lengthened position with a facing away cable curl. Our second tricep exercise is a single arm extension. Here I am keeping my elbow at a 45-degree angle to line up the resistance with the long head of the tricep, and finishing up with dumbbell hammer curls to now bias the brachialis.
Alright y'all, how I grew my back from this to this, part 2, all 100% organic natural back addition. Natty back daddy, baby. This video I'm going to concentrate on mid back, so we're going to do T-bar rows. Moving on, I like to do the single arm cable row for the range of motion that you can get in this workout. Same thing for the V-grip row. I like to drop set with this and hit it until failure. Then we do a couple sets of this chest supported row. This one is perfect for the rear delts and the mid back. Lastly, I'll do bent over row once a week. This one's for the thickness of the back. Follow for more workout tips, kings.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत दो पल के सहारों की।
Reduce your expectations to 0.